In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper service method for removing your upper ball joint control arm assembly, mounting bolts, and cam adjuster. I have my 1/2-inch drive socket wrench with a 22mm socket on the nut, and we're going to go ahead and break it loose. You're going to want to turn it in a counterclockwise motion. Just picture yourself staring at the end of the ratchet and the way a clock works. You're going to go from 12 to 11. It may take a little bit of elbow grease to get it broke free. There you go. You're going to continue turning it. Until it feels like it's about hand tight. Once it is, go ahead and unscrew it. That's the retaining nut. You can go ahead and put it in your pocket or put it in a magnetic tray. We're going to work out our cam adjuster / mounting bolt. That's it right there. You can see the index mark I put on it. We're going to line that back up with the mark on the frame of the vehicle. You're going to want to repeat that procedure for any other mounting bolts on your vehicle. This one has another one, and that is the proper method for removal of your upper control arm mounting bolts.